it is a trend. If you asked the question actually 10 years ago, say, oh my God, who are you? Are you going to invest really close to a city? You need to look for a greenfield project. But today actually is really a competitive advantage, because one of the challenges we're facing is the talent acquisition, and to appeal to young engineers to be part of the journey. And being close to the city is really an advantage, because 20% of our employees in Annecy are commuting by biking or walking or public transportation. And we have also a target on that to increase that percentage to more. So there are some creative ideas like e-vehicle carpooling, a fleet that is used only that the employees don't have to own a car, for example. So there are lots of initiatives which are contributing to that.